Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out a brand new line of knives from Buck. This is the 790 Mini Range Pro. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Buck and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Buck for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference, just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here is a look at them vertically, side by side, so you can compare the diameter of the pen next to the knife. And let's get a rough measurement here with the blade closed from end to end. Looks like we got just about 3 1/4 inches overall length with the blade closed. And now with the blade open. And now back to vertical. And a rough measurement with the blade open from the tip of the blade to the end of the handle. Looks like we got just about 6 1/4 inches overall length with the blade open. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here, just so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. It's pretty slim, so here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side, and it looks to be almost the same thickness as the thicker side of a pair of chopsticks. Let's run a ruler across here and see what we get. And looks like, okay, I got that squared up, maybe like 3/8, maybe 7/16 of an inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade here. And it might be easier to measure it right there. And it looks to be just about the same thickness as a US nickel. Let's run the ruler across here and see what we get. And it looks like it's just about maybe a 1/16 of an inch thick, maybe a little bit over, but it's pretty close. All right, let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be carrying around. Ooh, look at that, under 2 ounces, coming in at 1.9 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 1.9 ounces might feel like, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 2 of those. This knife comes in 3 different colors. There's this green, a black, and a gray. The Range series is made in the USA and carries Buck's well-known forever warranty. Let's have a look at your opening mechanism. We've got dual thumb studs. And the opening action on this knife is incredibly smooth and quiet because this blade is pivoting on a highly polished washer system. And I guess the second way that you can open up this knife is to pull back on the lock and time it right. You got to pull it back and release it. And I like the way they sneaked in a little bit of branding on the pivot. You can see the Buck anvil right there. Let's have a look at your locking mechanism as well as your blade release. And we have a crossbar lock. This is the first line of knives from Buck to feature a crossbar locking mechanism. And crossbars are really good, guys. They're one of the strongest locking mechanisms out there for folding knives. So as this blade is rotating around to open, you're going to see it lock into place. To release the blade, all you got to do is pull back on the levers that are accessible on both sides of the knife. So you just pull back, flick it closed. Let's have a look up front at this absolutely perfect example of a drop point blade. Starting off over in the thumb ramp area, there's a look at your jimping, just to give you a little bit of grip for your thumb. Barely noticeable here, but you can feel it. It's just like they scribed it on there. Nice thick line here, right? Drop points are thick all the way down to the point here. Absolutely stunning satin finish. And we pretty much got a flat grind here right up into the shoulder. We get the shoulder right up here, but it's a flat grind. So these are very easy to sharpen and maintain. And it puts a lot of mass behind that edge, so it's going to be a real strong edge. This knife also features a sharpening choil tucked down here. And that's going to help you sharpen the entire edge from the tip all the way down to the heel. Guys, check this out. The steel type being used is 154 cm, and it also has Buck's legendary Boss heat treat. So what you got up front here is a versatile blade shape made out of premium steel that's been heat treated with one of the industry's best kept secrets. 154 cm is a great stainless steel. It's got a lot of carbon in it, so your edge retention is going to be great. It's easy to sharpen, and with 14% chromium, your corrosion resistance is going to be outstanding. Going to bring you guys in closer so you can admire the texturing on these GFN handles. Basically, these are nylon handles. Incredibly durable and lightweight. There's a look at that texturing. Let me turn it sideways here so you guys can kind of see what that looks like. Beautiful pattern on there. Doesn't feel too aggressive at all. And GFN handles can take a lot of abuse. Let me open up this blade to give you guys a close-up on the inside of the handle here. Clean milling all the way around. Now, as far as your grip dynamics go, how this feels in the handle. This is a compact knife, so bigger hands beware. But we've got very subtle curves here. It tapers down here, kind of bulges back up here. 2 finger grooves here, so maybe 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Got a finger guard up here. And man, it really feels like you can go to work with that drop point blade. Let's have a look at the back of the knife here. And you're going to notice the absence of a backspacer. They just decided to wrap the GFN handles around and meet them together here in the middle. They also went with a shorter, stouter pocket clip. Again, love the buck anvil on there. Deep carry. So deep. And it is reversible to the other side. Here is a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you dunk it in your pocket. It should absolutely disappear. Alright, let's do some cutting with this factory edge. Got some paper here. Let's see how it does. Ooh, yeah, just glides right through that. No problem at all. That is sharp stuff. The slice is nice. And I got some 550 paracord here. It should absolutely destroy that. And finally, I got a couple of pieces of cardboard here. It should absolutely slice through that. Can I get one more? Easy. Once again, guys, this has been the all-new 790 Mini Range Pro from Buck. Incredibly small and compact and thin, perfect for EDC. It's going to ride real easy in the pocket. Premium steel coming razor sharp out of the box. If you're looking for a new EDC knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from Buck, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.